I'm the division chair for the Trades and Industry Division at the Parker Technical Center for North Idaho College. The Industrial Mechanics and Mechatronics programs at North Idaho College teach students the basics of industrial machines all the way to automation. The Millwright program is designed to teach students how to work on the machines in order to be able to prevent accidents happening. These students that we have come into these programs can go anywhere. In our local area, there's enough employers to take everybody that graduates that program, but it's really about what do you want to do. Some of these guys, you get on a traveling crew, you can go across the country, across the world. The possibilities are endless. The Millwright program, it's one of the highest paying jobs that there is in a factory until you get into management. So the mechatronics and millwright programs, they coincide together so that you become a well-rounded technician out there that can work on the machines and also automate the machines. So you become a very valuable employee by combining those two programs.